Trucking Efficiency is proud to share the findings of a report on the opportunity for freight efficiency by adopting 6x2 axles on North American tractor-trailers. Trucking Efficiency is a joint effort between the North American Council for Freight Efficiency and the Carbon War Room to double the efficiency of North American goods movement by 2016 through the elimination of market barriers to information, demand, and supply. The operation is gathering and centralizing the many existing sources of data about the performance results of different technology options and working with the industry to share previously unpublished data. In order to generate confidence on the performance claims of efficiency technologies, Trucking Efficiency is conducting a series of studies known as the Confidence Reports. The first Confidence Report focused on the many technologies for ensuring appropriate tire pressure and was published in August of 2013. We will be publishing additional reports of anti-idling devices, automated transmissions, and driver coaching aids, as well as this report on the 6x2 axles. The group completes confidence reports to better understand and educate the industry on specific technologies and practices for improved fuel efficiency. At the end of each study, the team predicts payback for the various technologies and concludes the level of confidence or maturity of the products under study. This report covers 6x2 axle systems. Look at that. We would like to thank Dana Holdings Corporation and Meritor Incorporated for sponsoring this important work. In-kind contributions are also appreciated and allow NACFE to complete the fuel economy tests of various configurations. It should be mentioned that none of these companies had any specific influence on the findings of the study. If you are interested in supporting future work, please contact us. Contractors are used to conduct these studies. Team members are experts in trucking and the use of these technologies, without any bias to the subject matter under study. An extraordinary team including John, Sue, Bruce, Mike, and Tessa completed this work. The report found that purchasers of 6x2 axles should enjoy an approximate 2.5% improvement in fuel efficiency with about a 20-month payback on their investment. As will be described later, the study team also believes the confidence end users should have in pursuing this concept is medium to high, as much data is available on its benefits and its adverse consequences. For the past few years, the NACFE has worked with leading fleets to complete an annual fleet fuel benchmarking analysis. 6x2 axles has been described by fleets as having potential and is unique in that it is one of the few technologies that not only lowers fuel consumption, but decreases weight and has potential to be cost neutral. The idea of improving efficiency by driving on only one axle of a tandem axle configuration has been around for a number of years and is actually the preferred approach in much of Europe. In most cases, the forward rear axle is powered and the rear is non-driving, or sometimes called dead. This report will address the product's many benefits and challenges, with the single largest challenge being a concern with tractive capability due to the truck having only one drive axle. Chapter 4 of the report addresses the question of how much fuel savings occur with this configuration. 10 previously unpublished sets of test data were gathered with the help of the industry to more deeply understand this. Information was gathered from the axle manufacturers, tractor engineering organizations, fleets, and the NACFE completed 3 independent SAE track tests. Here, the results of all these tests are shown side by side. Different testing protocols were used, and the make and number of trucks tested are shared. The team reviewed this information in great detail and only included data sets that had the most robust and reliable information. Each test is discussed in detail in the confidence report. Significant variation can occur in testing tractor trailers for fuel economy, and Trucking Efficiency believes the more data, the better. The team concluded that a 2.5% improvement in fuel economy is directionally appropriate for 6x2 versus 6x4 tractors. Through the work of the study team, face-to-face meetings with the axle manufacturers, tractor builders, and fleets, it was determined that the 6x2 configuration offered many benefits and challenges or adverse consequences. Other benefits are shown here, including lower weight, upfront cost, less overall maintenance, and possibly improved stability. Each of these items has a dedicated section to it in the study report, and the cost effects are included in the payback calculator, to be discussed later. Traction is the most discussed challenge of the 6x2s, and it is also the primary reason fleets don't pursue them. Many see it as the difference between a 4x4 and 4x2 pickup truck, but this analogy is really not appropriate for the size and weight of these vehicles. Traction tests were conducted and data shared that electronic load shifting to move the weight onto the drive axle in slip events will improve overall traction and should be spec'd on all new 6x2 tractors. Other challenges include tire wear, resale value, and driver acceptance. The study team interviewed various fleets, tire companies, and truck OEMs to determine the level of additional cost of tire wear for 6x2s. Input varied significantly, and the team presents a detailed case study showing a $466 per year increased cost of tires. Resale value should improve over time, and driver coaching, as with any spec change, can help driver acceptance. Tractor OEMs believe that 6x2 axles are part of a freight efficiency solution set. They believe in their payback, have made them available in their long-haul products, and included them in their DOE Super Truck programs. OEMs shared that in their conversations with fleets, they believe their volume will increase in the coming years. The study team interviewed many fleets and conducted an internet survey for input on single-drive axle trucks. Many comments are provided for context, with many fleets sharing that the time for 6x2 axles has come, and that they are in their final stages of decision-making to adopt. Trucking Efficiency has developed a payback calculator to assist decision-making, and it includes a recognition of the potential value to some fleets of the approximate 400-pound weight savings. Implementation, best practices, and a discussion of potential future products are also shared. The 6x2 study conclusions are shown here and support the belief that adoption could double each year for the next 3, and that given the data available, confidence in adoption should be medium to high. Trucking Efficiency believes that fleets should consider 6x2s and use the data and best practices provided in this report. Manufacturers and truck builders can help by continuously improving the product and developing complementary features. This concludes the summary of the 6x2 Confidence Report. We thank you for your interest in this topic and are interested in your comments and suggestions. Feel free to contact us.